Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me TipsWithDav, and I'm super excited to share with you a strategy in this video from my Legion Secrets. First and foremost, welcome to the channel. If you're here for the first time, I really am happy to have you here. I know that a lot of people do come to this channel because they're watching about my Legion Secrets, or they're researching about it, or some of the members who are actually trying to look at strategies. So I'm gonna hop on my computer, share with you more, and if you have any questions at any point of time, hit them in the comments below so I can get back to you. Okay guys, so before I go ahead and share with you the entire strategy that I want to in this video, first and foremost, I want to give you a little bit of a short story of why I am using my Legion Secrets, what exactly is the purpose behind it, and how it fits into my whole structure. So I do have a full-time job. I work a 9 to 5, guys. I travel a lot. I live my life in a very full way, and I'm very happy with the kind of priorities that I have in my life. However, I do believe that affiliate marketing is a good option to have in the whole run, and I wanted to spend less time online because for me, time is money. I wanted to spend less time online and more time in actually living my life and doing things. So therefore, I decided to ask myself a couple of questions before I went ahead and did my affiliate marketing the usual way, because the usual way would be I would be spending my time on free advertising, free marketing in order for me to get and generate leads to my offers and actually be an affiliate. This is the normal structure that everybody shares, and don't get me wrong, it is not bad at all. In fact, you can get started with affiliate marketing absolutely for free. This is a video not about affiliate marketing, but it's included in my entire strategy, right? That's what I'm using it for. And therefore, I created step one. I created step one simply to have a cash flow and then to leverage that cash flow into building your business so that you don't. So first and foremost, you dip your toes in the water, you check it out, you actually get to understand what is going on with this world of affiliate marketing. And then if you want to take it seriously, great. But by then you're already starting to make maybe $200 per month or $300 per month, or some kind of income that's coming in, and then you're leveraging that in order for you to actually build a business. So this is how I look at it. But as I said before, I wanted to spend less time online, and in order for me to spend less time online, I wanted to have a service that will solve two problems. You see guys, as an affiliate marketer, there are two main things that we need to focus on: advertising and copywriting. Now, my Legion Secrets in general, in my opinion, solves both these problems. How does it solve both these problems? Let me just share with you what my Legion Secrets is in the first place. In the first place, it gives you a product that is giving you 100 to 200 leads every single day. Yes, you need to pay for it. It costs you $60 the first month and then $30 after that. So it's really up to you if you want to get it or not. It's really, you can try it for 1 month, but I don't see the purpose of trying it for 1 month. I see the purpose of trying it for an entire year before you actually make that decision. That's personally the way I look at it, and the way I want to share it with you. So this is the product. It doesn't mean that you're going to get sales. It doesn't mean that you're going to do anything with it. You can just buy it and spend that money and do nothing. It doesn't mean you're going to make money online. So we cannot guarantee that. But what we can guarantee, what they can guarantee, is giving you those 100 to 200 leads every single day. So how does this solve two problems? This solves two problems for one specific reason. The reason is that it's an all-in-one system that does two things, in my opinion. One, it gives you access to 100 to 200 leads, which means it's solving the problem of spending time to get those leads into your ads, and so that you can advertise. You see the leverage over here. And then it also solves the other problem of actually using a whole autoresponder, emailing every day, getting to the habit of emailing every day, sending good copy emails so your offer is congruent with your emails, and so on and so forth. All these strategies that are available with email marketing, which is a very important thing in your affiliate marketing journey. You get to do that here every single day. You get to test things out every single day. So it's giving you a platform that first and foremost is a place to practice your skill, and secondly, it's solving the problem of advertising. So how you convert those leads into actual money, cash, commissions, that's on you as a marketer. That's on you to write the proper emails. That's on you to keep the offer congruent with the sales page. That's the email, sorry, congruent with the sales page. That's on you to find different strategies, right? So that's why I made this channel, and on Monday I specifically talk about it. But the whole purpose for me, including it in my entire strategy, is because I want to focus on you getting sales. That's all. I want you to dip your toe in the water. So that is the purpose. I come here, write an email every single day to an offer that gets a sale. Then I take that money and then obviously I leverage it to step two, but we're not going to get into step two today. Okay. That's just to give you guys an understanding. It also is a platform that has, you can build it and earn from it and stuff like that, but I don't focus on the income side. I honestly don't. I focus on it as a traffic source, and that is it. 100 leads every day. Okay, that's how I want to explain my Legion secrets to you. So I have multiple strategies, and in case you want to see all of these strategies that I do, you can find them in the description. There is a playlist to my Legion secrets itself, so you can to my Legion secrets playlist, and you can check that out there. Okay, so anything that you're interested in is always available. So that's the strategy. That is what my Legion secrets is. Let's get into the strategy in a second, but I wanted to share with you one thing. So if I actually already sent the email just now, so I will not be able to send it again. Let me just go and see, but I believe I've already sent it. Yes, but that's fine. That's fine because I was actually recording this video and I wanted to send it while recording, but I apparently wasn't recording. It's fine. It happens, guys. I'm just gonna do the video again and it's not a problem, right? So let me go ahead and share with you my Legion secret itself. So if you go to the home, there are a few things. There's a quick start here at any point of time you can watch and so on and so forth. But there are certain elements with your email. So all of these elements, by the way, you can find in my strategies in the playlist below. You can see that there are elements here, which is date, subject line, it's how much you've sent, how much it's open rate. There's a reason why I'm sending it to only 9,000 people. I cover this in another video, but basically I use my Legion secrets as an autoresponder without removing the leads from it. I don't remove the leads from it. I don't import it anywhere else. I use it as an autoresponder myself. So these statistics are important, and I have to use the right mentality to compare those two and actually implement them. So for example, the 9,000, why do I use only 9,000? Because it's a month and a half worth of emails that leads that I'm sending. And the older ones I'm not sending to. With my own email list, what do? The older emails who are not opening my emails, I just delete them from my list. I don't keep them. I delete more than 100 leads from my email list every single month, guys. Why? Because it doesn't make sense to have those leads. They are not interested in what you have to offer. So this keeping the threshold of 9,000 is for me a way to clean my list. Statistics is on the clicks. I focus on the clicks a lot more than anything else, and the open rates. And you can use tracking codes within My Legion Secrets itself to know exactly, within Warrior Plus to know exactly which emails are converting for you. When you know that, the strategy that I want to share with you today is when you're on, let's say you're traveling, okay? Because I travel a lot. I travel actually this year. Every single month of the year I've traveled, and it has been quite a hectic time. So I leveraged this strategy during my travels, and it was the easiest thing in the world because it takes you literally 2 minutes to do. And let me go back and share with you exactly how I write my email. So all of these emails I do myself. I write myself. I basically leverage ChatGPT, write the emails out. I post them in a document like this, which, as you can see, has all the emails. And then I edit the emails. How do I edit the emails, or what do I say in the emails? Let me show you. You basically, let's open a random email. You can see that I have these edited already out, 2 links here, my face, and then a PS link right here. So this is something that I have, in mind, and I always like to tell my story and stuff like that. So I edit these things and I keep it ready, and I send out emails. Now, say you're doing this for 2 months or 3 months, you have basically accumulated here a lot of emails actually from sending every single day. So for example, the earliest email that you can see right here, if I go to page 11, is on August. So until August, that was the first email. That's the emails that you can see till today. So until 14th of August till today. So that's a lot of months worth of emails get saved within My Legion Secrets itself. You basically do this. So I go through the older ones. So I don't do the most recent one. I go through the older ones and I see which have done well. So for example, let's make a deal with this one right here, 208 clicks and so on and so forth. Let's say we want to use this one, or even better, what I did today while I was shooting the previous video is that I found this one right here, which has 316 clicks. It was on the 3rd of September, and I also know that 2 days later I got a sale. So I know that it is specifically from that email and not from any other email, because this is the way I just track it. But I would suggest you to have a tracking code for each and every email so that it's easier for you to just know exactly where your sale is, and then ask yourself, how is the email written? Can I change some things? Or should I improve or repeat the same things? Are the open rates good? Is the storyline good? Am I getting a good click-through rate? All of these things together tell you a story that you can write and repeat again and again. So it's good to track all those things. And basically, let's say if I choose this one, I basically go to the mailing system and you load the leads first and foremost. And then you go here, and I'm going to use this as an example. You basically can select from all of these. Let's say that I went back and etc. And I chose this older one, right? And I know that it's converting well. All you need to do is click on load. It loads completely everything. And just to be sure, you can also go to preview and look, but since I don't have the preview, I'm just going to double click this. This Warrior Plus link right here is to my offer in Warrior Plus itself. So I know that it's already tracked and it's there. Maybe you need to, the only thing that you need to do is maybe change this tracking code. So add 3, 4, 5, whatever number, however you want to track it. And then you go and click on perfect timing and then send. I just sent this 15 minutes ago, guys. So unfortunately, I cannot do it for you guys. But this is how I personally do send, and that's it. And it takes you less than 30 seconds to a minute to do, because at the end of the day, if you want to spend like 5 to 10 minutes to see which email you want to choose, that's about it. But when I was traveling, guys, I didn't have the time. So I just looked at the statistics. I knew which email, load, send, that's it. Go on with my day, live my life, travel, enjoy. And then 2 days later, I wake up, or the next day I wake up to sales. That is how you can do it if you know that it's already converting. If you don't know it's already converting, you need to test things out. And if you want, you can also do it in a way that 1 month you test, and then so let's say 3 months you test, and then you use the first month when you're traveling. So you know, okay, so you can always bounce your ideas off, change it up a little bit, but start to implement some common sense in this email marketing and watch how things change. There's a lot. I'm not saying that people don't use common sense. It's just that a lot of the marketers, honestly, with My Legion Secrets, are copy pasting emails. And I'm not saying the copy pasting emails doesn't work, but find what works for you. I've been making consistent weekly sales only 2 or 3 days. You can actually see here's on the 5th, and then 8th again, and then 11th again, and then 13th. So it's multiple sales a week, guys, because of this mindset. And I'm writing all these emails myself. They're not copy pasted emails. They're using ChatGPT, but I'm following all the strategies that I share in this channel. So if you're interested in exactly how my entire funnel works and entire strategy works with including My Legion Secrets and all and everything, there's a link below in the description that goes to a course that I have specifically on this strategy. So you can get that course and you can get My Legion Secrets there, or you can join My Legion Secrets directly below if you want it. Either way, I'm going to be making these videos every single Monday. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. And I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.